All right, everybody, welcome to this edition of Common Man Country Club. Today we have a special, very special guest approaching his 60th birthday.
That's special.
Very special man. He is playing from the senior tees now, so he is practically cheating. We will have a match today. Not sure how many holes, but we are playing one-on-one stroke play. And so yeah, without further ado, our special guest is the nature boy himself,
Common Man Golf. Oh! Coming to get you, son.
All right, guys, so first hole we're playing is a par 5 up this hill, back this direction. So let's see if we can attack it and get off to a good start.
We're tied up after one, par. See what he's got. Tight fairway. Ooh. Advantage senior. Ow! Coming to get you, son.
All right, guys, I just kind of duck pulled it. There is OB left, so hopefully it didn't go out of bounds. That's a penalty stroke. So Dad's got from his old man tees. What are you playing, the gray, Dad? 444, which is pretty much cheating because my dad's still pretty long, but we'll see if he's camera shy. I don't know. Not everybody can play good golf in front of the cameras.
I'm long because I'm still strong, baby.
Confidence is high. All right. Uh-oh.
Where is it?
You are left kind of with me. He should be good, but might not be able to reach him too.
Yeah, I kind of came over the top of her because I wanted to crush it. Yeah, crush it.
All right, guys, we've located my ball here in the woods, a familiar territory. This is what I'm looking at, and safe is always the right play, so I'm gonna poke out this big hole right here.
Uh-oh, you may hit too much. It's gonna be a perfect shot.
So like I said, Dad's playing the ladies the senior tee, so he's so he's way up there. So I'm gonna actually hit again because I'm up, and luckily today we have a foursome in front of us, so
a lot of commentary today.
Yeah, plenty of talking. If you like talking, you're gonna like this video. If you don't like talking, well, you might want to skip to the next one. But we can figure out this shot real quick.
Hey, Seth. Hey, man, shout out to you, brother. I know you couldn't be here today. We were looking forward to you joining us, but don't worry, I got this covered for you, big guy. Your run against him of consecutive wins is not in jeopardy. I got the big man easy today.
Here we go. Here we go. So not what you want here. I'm on a par 5. This is my third shot, and I have 227 in. Looks kind of fluffy. I'm gonna hit a 7-iron, miss short.
Cut. Come on. Cannot move the ball, but I can move the debris without moving. Oh man, firewood.
All right, so here's Dad's ball. This is only a second shot. I've already played 3.
I'm just gonna be smart and try to pop one out and hit a third shot.
You're gonna be a smart man. Oh, he has also hit it very hard. Soft fairways though, you're fine. Oh lordy.
This shot.
Are you nervous, Doug?
Never.
Oh gosh.
Never.
We got a knee shaker here. He's got a knee shaker.
Oh, people, let me tell you.
Hold on, let's shoot it for him. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Folks.
Hey, Ricky Flair, what do you think about that? Hey, Ricky, don't be scared, man. Listen, don't be upset. I know I do Rick better than Rick does.
All right, guys, so like I said, Dad's in there pretty tight. That's a good shot from where he was. Tough to gauge. Yeah, here I am back here. Like I said, I just went with a smart play. Still hit that 7-iron good. I just was expecting a flyer. Sit. Sit. Okay.
Let me see that expression on your face. Hold a minute. Let me see that again. Look. Let me see. What kind of expression?
It didn't break. It didn't break.
Hey young stallion. That would be one up, old man.
That's okay, guys. I'm trying to make him feel good. You know, he's the guest. And I'm a guy, I've got manners, respect, and you know, when the guest comes on, you let him jump out to a lead. And I'm about to turn it on here.
Hey, bud. Nature boy don't got no respect, you know what I'm saying? Nature boy coming, boy, you better get ready.
Beautiful hole. The course is in great shape. Great shape. And Dad's tees are way up there. He's probably 80 yards away or something. I don't know. I mean, look how far he is. This is cheating. Look how far. Oh, God, he's. So here's my angle. 157 out, guys. I'm going to poke a pitching wedge. I'm going to try to hit a low, something penetrating, something that's just going to stop on a dime. And I'm looking for a hole in one here. I mean, setting my sights high. Got to aim for the clouds and fall in the sky. Hey, God. So I hit that exactly how I wanted to. I'm used to fading it, and it didn't fade. The great, intelligent Dustin Johnson once said, the important thing to remember when you're fading it is to remember to fade it, and I didn't fade it. So
130.
130. Still slanging it for the old man. Oh, he's hit a draw.
Come on.
It's got to go. Oh, we will see how much he likes the beach. Talking all that trash. Nature boy's quiet now.
A little disappointed in myself.
No, you're not mad, you're just disappointed.
Disappointed.
I got you. Here's my tee shot.
I was being aggressive though. I was going for the flag.
I'm at least putting. I'm a mile away. So here's Nature Boy. He's right there. A little short-sighted. Confidence is high though.
It's out.
He is out.
Man.
There I had a chance to just two-putt par and I've blown it by the hole. But here is Doug with his third.
Let me back in.
Oh wow. That's a great putt, Dad.
That's good.
Wow, great bogey.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great bogey. All right, guys, so after 2 holes of the match, it is, Dad is up 1 stroke. We just bogeyed that hole, that par 3. I just 3-putted. He got up and down after not getting up and down from the bunker. So he is 1 stroke up after 2 holes. So our 3rd hole here, it's drivable. It's 300 from the tips. I'm gonna play smart like we talked about earlier. And I don't want to wait for the people to get to the green, to be honest. So I'm gonna hit 700 off the tee. That's the play here. It's super short. The green is right through there. It's 300 total yards. So I'm gonna play it safe while Nature Boy holds the camera for me.
That's a good looking golf shot right there. Just where he wanted it.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
I might have to think when I get up to my tee box.
Dude, you gonna do some thinking?
Hey, if you're scared, stay home. You know what I'm saying? If you're scared, stay on the porch with the dog, cause I'm going.
So I think Dad discussed using a driver. I don't think that's the right play. There and that green has bunkers all around it, so it's kind of a protected. Whenever you have a drivable par 4, there's usually some difficulty that goes along with it. This one has bunkers everywhere. So Dad, once again, smart golf. We're prepping for the best tournament of the year, Mount Olive. And so he's just gonna hit. What you got, Dad?
I'm gonna choke down a little 5, see if I can't get a little roll at the end.
Oh, a little choke down 5-iron, huh? Yeah. Let's see what you got, sauce man.
Right,
oh God, get through the tree.
Nope. He's
safe. He just hit that tree. Chunked it a little bit, but if that tree wasn't there, it would have been fine.
Yep.
Yep, who put that tree there?
Let me tell you something, folks. The play was go. I backed away from go. And you see
and
what
you
I'm
went,
at now?
and you went to yield. You went, oh, now you stop. Oh,
I'm
God.
almost stopped.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, so, tee box is, right there. Dad hit yay tree. Came about yay here. All right, so luckily it's a short par 4. So Dad still only has 185, which is the number he wanted to hit off the tee, but I guess he thought that's what he wanted into the green. So here's 185, thick stuff. Got that thick Bermuda. And it is thick.
He's out.
He is out. He is up 1 stroke right now, but I am feeling a little bit, I'm feeling that leash just get a little shorter.
When I throw this 3rd shot up there.
Oh, you gonna throw some sauce up there?
Yeah, baby.
Sauce like a boss.
Listen, young grasshopper. Old man, master talking to you. Listen, you don't have to get all strokes back in 1 shot.
Come on.
I make good play, get to fairway, be safe.
Predictions for this shot? 10 feet or less or I'm not happy. In reality, I just want to hit the green. Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
He's got to hurry.
And he's trappy. I'd say we're back even, son.
Oh, gosh, man. I hit the trajectory I wanted. I hit it like 5 yards too short. I mean, this green is surrounded by bunkers, and I'm just not taking advantage of opportunities that the old man has given me. So here is the old man, young man, fine looking man. Man with a plan, Stan. And he's only...
Need to be coy, Roy. Drop off the keys, Lee, and set yourself free. Just get off the bus, girls. Don't need to discuss much.
What do you got in it? This is a field shot. Oh man, he is a little deep. But you're putting for par. You got to putt for par after the tee shot.
Hey, I'll take that shot. That was a good shot, just a little long.
So there I am, short-sighted and plugged. Take a look at that. Fried egg, not good. Oh, whoops.
I'm finally at. I told young grasshopper, don't get it all back in 1 shot. And look at him, 4 shot later.
Look, I'm hit or miss with the bunker shots. And right now my bunker game is absolutely atrocious. So that's what you're seeing here. I mean, terrible. So I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for double. I got to make this for double.
What's the math? Wow.
Here's Dad with a par putt. That's pretty good. And I'll give that to him. Just showing my respects to the senior. So we're on the 4th hole of the 6-hole match, and Dad is up 3 strokes on me. So another short par 4 here around the corner. I actually don't think it's short, it's just around the corner. So anyways, I'm down 3 strokes right now with 3 holes to play. So 1 stroke at a time. My issue lately in golf, which, you know, common men, we always struggle with going up and down in parts of our golf game. My issue with golf lately has not been off the tee. I've been putting myself in great positions off the tee, hitting my long irons great, and just 120 and in, it's been terrible. And that's what's frustrating about golf, is when you get in great spots and you can't finish. So, but by the time I find that, my long game will probably be gone. So stay tuned for that. Oh, not too much. Kick. So here I am, folks. That's what I'm looking at. I'm 130 out, another good drive. Dad is over there, but he actually is gonna get away with it. He's got a good look. So I'm gonna see if I can finally attack. Just frustrating, guys, just very frustrating. I'm short again. The feel with my wedges is not there right now. Even though I hit that solid, it just didn't fly like I thought it would. And so yeah, that's just not good. So got to get up and down again. See what you got, Dad. Got a good angle at it. Oh, sit. Land soft. You hit that so clean.
I wanted that in front and get a big hop, you know, and I think
you hit it how you wanted, it just was too far.
Yeah, I just carried it.
Good execution, but it is, I don't know, if it could have crossed the street, we might be in some have some boundary issues back there. I don't know. All right, guys, so there's my chip shot. Very acceptable. Short game's keeping me slightly in it. Dad ran off the green here. This is his birdie chip. He's got some room to work with. See what he's got. Oh my. Pretty good, pretty good. So I'm gonna apply some pressure here, make him putt first, because Nature Boy don't do great with pressure. He thinks he does, but we'll see. So.
You talking about me again?
No, never. Oh no, oh no. Doug.
Low side salad.
That's a bogey. If I can make this, I can get a stroke on you.
Bring it, big boy. I ain't seen you absolutely light up the green either. Ooh! Wait a minute. Let me get a close up. Oh my word! Woo! 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 No matter how many times I do it, son, it doesn't go in.
That is a misread. And but he is 3 shots up,
and he has seen me play before.
Excuse me. Oh, you missed. Excuse me. 3 shots up with 2 to play. All right, guys, I got to make a move here. I'm hitting 2-iron off the tee. Finally get to hit something out there. And this is a long par 4, right, Dad? What's the yardage?
506.
What?
It's 506. Par 5.
Oh, are you serious?
Par 5, son.
Oh, hold this. Oh,
I was getting ready to say 506 is a par 5 for Dougie Fresh. But you know what? I like my odds on this one, birdie. I'm feeling good.
Really, what I should do?
Feeling good. He's not playing around with the 2-iron. He's going for the gusto. I like to play. You know, you could take this game and take your strengths away if you convince yourself to do that, and that's where you overthink it. Hey man, just grip it, rip it, and let it go. And he absolutely crushed it. You see what I mean? Bubba was always right. Bubba said, always play your strengths. Why are you doing anything any different?
So right over that hill, Daz, where you want to go?
Well, I might get there, but I'm going to play a little fade.
Oh, he's going to fade it.
Good tee-ball except on the practice tee.
So you know how to work the ball.
So I'm going to try to hit a little fade.
You know how to work the ball.
I can work it.
You can work it.
Oh,
oh, he faded it.
Oh
my gosh. Y'all, it is. Now, it might be right enough where you're in a fairway. That might not kill you. You might be right enough. All right, guys, this is one thing where Dad went far enough right. That's where he's supposed to be. But he went far enough right where he's actually got to look at it. It's a par 5, so he's not in a bad spot. And he's going to try to go up over these trees back in play. Oh gosh, he has chili dipped it.
I tried to lift the ball, hit the ball, and let the ball go.
You got to hit down to make it go up.
You got to hit down to go
Opposites attract. Chick'em. Once again, it's 3 strokes with 2 to play.
Oh Lord.
Oh gosh. It is out. And look at this. He is out. Come on in the cart before I run you over. The door is open. I'm excited. This is what, your 4th shot?
Oh yeah.
This is shot number 4 from right here. My first shot went right, where is it? Right there. We got cussing over here. All right, y'all, he's laying 4 on this par 5. He's got 2 20 in.
224 as a matter of fact.
224, and so you could say he's going for it. And like I said, there's my ball out there in the middle. I am 3 strokes down, folks, but I feel like a comeback is happening right now. We're in the midst of greatness. Oh my God, that is perfect. Folks, he has hit, oh, it's got to sit. Oh my God. It's a great.
It may be in the hole.
It ain't in the Yo, he just hit it 226. He just stiffed it. It might be a foot from the hole. It might be a foot from the hole. That's a par for par.
That's right, son. It ain't nothing but a thing. I'm just better than you are today. It's all good.
It ain't over, man. I got a back pin right here. I'm gonna take slightly less club.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put it on the number.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get an eagle right here.
Hey, let's see what kind of dog you are. He has done it, folks. I'm telling you. It's a little short. It's a little short. He didn't.
Short my butt. Short of magnificent. Goodness gracious.
There you go. That's a
Come on, son.
That's a Bubba close.
Come on. Is it short? You can't hit an 8-iron better than that, son.
No, sir.
Look at you. Oh my God. Come on, man. Come on, man.
I love it. Listen, I'd rather be lucky than good any old day. And this old codger right here, I have seen some luck in my day. And this right, wait till you see where this ball is.
From 225, my dad is 60 years old. From 225, out of the rough with a 3 hybrid. 226 3 hybrid.
And he's gonna make me putt it.
Heck yeah, I am. He has stiffed it. Needed more club, Dad. Needed more club. A little more club. Oh my God.
Gonna be short, son.
Gosh, please.
He's done it. Nope. He's got a little meat left on that bone.
I'm gonna 4-putt. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna 4-putt.
Let me put him out of his misery.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That is unbelievable.
Way to get it in there, man.
Oh my gosh. Well guys, like I said, every single hole after the tee shot, Dad has left the door wide open, and I have just absolutely Shaquille O'Neal'd it from the free throw line. Absolutely airball, brick, not even close. He was on his 4th shot from the fairway, 226, comes out with a par. And I was 200 out on my 2nd shot from the fairway, had an eagle putt. He had a par putt and I had an eagle putt, and we come out with the same thing. All right guys, I'm 3 holes back. I need a birdie. He needs double for us to tie. He can triple. It's par 3, it's tough, full of bunkers. I've seen crazier things happen. We have one, I can't even remember what I shot at, 194. 194 from the tips. I'm hitting 7-iron. Dad's on the camera.
And then he cut it into the trap. Ooh, over the trap.
Oh, he has hit a draw. It stopped drawing though, but that's a great spot. That's exactly what he needed to do. It's all but over now.
Yeah.
He just can't get in from 5 from 30 yards.
I think I can manage that.
You think you got it from there?
I think I got that.
Okay.
Bite. Oh, not bad. Oh, look, folks. Ha. I'll pick that up any day.
That's not bad at all. I mean, would you get a chip much better than that?
I might, but I also might worse it.
You're right, could worse it. There you go.
And nope. Hit the ball.
Oh, a bogey will do it.
Yes. I am the champion. I am the champion.
All right, guys, so that concludes this episode of Common Man Country Club. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to our videos. We release a match once a week, a lot of content on Instagram. Dad, thanks for coming out. Happy 60th birthday.
Oh, absolutely, man.
It was a pleasure. It was awesome.
Enjoyed it. Hey, Seth, I held up the streak, buddy.
Held up the streak. I'm still defeated. I'm 0-4. But if you're Team Brandon, keep rooting for me. And signing off.
Later, guys.
All right.
Enjoyed it.
Chick 'em.
Have a great day.
Chick 'em. Hit 'em with a chick 'em. Official Keith Hills Golf Course hot dog review. Special guest, Doug. What do you think?
My first impression is the bun is very soft, which is always a good sign, and it's warm.
Soft bun, warm.
Yep, and it's a potato bun. That's not a bad thing either.
Okay, let me look at it. Let me get a look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the show the outside of that.
Yep.
Wow, it is a potato bun. Interesting.
Yep. Got good mustard. I love a hot dog with a lot of mustard, so that's chili looks good.
Okay, first bite. You got to get something on you, or it doesn't count. He's chewing.
It's a red hot.
Oh,
Red hot. What do they call it? Bright leaf.
Frank's or bright leaf.
Bright leaf hot dog.
Okay.
It's a red hot. I noticed the flavor of that hot dog as soon as I bit it, and I didn't know what it was. Very good quality. Chili is thick, which is nice. I like a thick instead of runny chili.
Okay, nice.
Mustard's good. I tell you guys, you know, for Dougie Fresh here, the Nature Boy would rate this probably 6.5, maybe a 7. Maybe
so 6.5, room to grow, but it's a solid hot dog.
It's a solid hot dog.
Okay, that's
I hit it hard, man. So far.